Hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to add a death counter to your screen. Now, first things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I'd appreciate it. There's like plugins and weird ways to add death counters to OBS, but without downloading some like weird sketchy link from some weird website, the easiest way, which it's not so easy, it's kind of tedious, but the easiest way to do it without downloading anything external is by going to your sources and adding a text source, and then right clicking on that, pressing properties, and then just go ahead and changing the tally whenever you die in a game. So you can just go ahead and just tab out, change the tally, tab back in, and then just keep the recording going. And as you play, the thing will tick up for you, and you can do your death counter that way. Now there is plugins online, like I said, to do it, so you just have to keep your eyes open. But other than that, make sure to leave a like and comment down below for the algorithm, and have a wonderful day.